this bar for you.
Thank you.
Honey.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Oh. You like the grass? You like the grass? Huh?
She's a little bit like Obi.
Isn't she sweet?
Woo!
Oh, what you gonna do?
Did you show it? Did you show it?
Hi there.
I got this for you, Mommy.
I thank you, Lily.
Let's get a picture. Picture! Picture!
Hi, Grizzer. He's all right, love. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. Hi. Thanks, Lily.
Welcome.
Hi. Are you getting tired?
Mom, there's a butterfly that keeps bothering me.
You'll be fine, Nicholas.
It's nature.
It is nature, isn't it, Lily? Hi. Oh. Hey, you pretty girl. Hi, sweetheart.